comes to the next part. Come on. Damn, lousy. Okay, let's see what type this is. Looks like a ghost type, so let's see what would be great against a ghost type. Ghost type. Okay, let's see here. Gordon. Oh yeah, Gordon's still living. Ah. Well, that is a poison flying type. So I think Wings should go out first. Another nickname for Golbat. I hope he ever evolves into a Crobat. I really want him to. Okay, let's do this. Oh, come on. If I have to exit that. Let's battle. I doubt I'm actually gonna beat this Pokemon League. I'm just doing this for fun. I just like recording it. I'm not sure I can even beat this, so if I die... I always die at the third person. I've never gotten farther. Let's use... Wing attack. That sucked. Oh, I'm confused, right? So he should be confused too. Okay, come on, come on, come on, do it, do it. Oh, jeez. I was gonna use Curse. Come on. Confused, come on, confused. Yeah, of course. He's using Future Sight? No, no, no. Now the Curse. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. Thank God. Now you hurt yourself in confusion. And come on, wing attack, wing attack. You need to defeat him. One, of course. Wing attack. Snapped out of confusion. Curse inflicted. I died. Bring out Loudy. I got that because he's an Exploder. I got him as a Louder. And the Future set, of course. Let's see here. Oh, Loudy knows Ice Beam. Awesome. This. No, Ice Beam. Come on, come on. No, no, no. Yay. He's frozen solid. Supersonic. Come on, Supersonic. Haha. This rodents. Okay. Ice Beam. Come on, no, no. At least he's frozen so. Ice Beam. Come on, no, no. He's bad with confusion. Yay. Ice Beam. Oh, so close. You really cleaned that dust box. Damn it. Ice Beam. Oh, there's no PP left. Okay, Stomp. Of course. He's Spike. Supersonic. No, Bennett. I'm useless. I'm gonna keep using Howl. Oh, dang. Okay, I'm gonna switch out for Punchy. Oh! Dang it. Okay. Brick break. Oh, come on. What's this? Shadow ball, great. Okay, I won't use rolling. Here's Punchy. Okay, let's end. Skeptile. Leaf blade. Let's use leaf blade on the rest. Crap, I forgot. And ice beam too. And he will destroy this, but okay, let's see here. Earthquake. No, come on, earthquake once more. Come on, come on, come on. Thank God. Then this ball is long. I have 2 more to go. Bennett. Earthquake. Come on, come on, no, no, no. Oh, no. Now toxic. I am poisoned now. Earthquake. Come on, come on. Yay. Okay. That's not gonna affect him, I bet. This isn't gonna affect him. Cut. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm switching. 4. Okay, I'm so gonna lose. Yeah, I'm switching. Look. Psychic. Killed Loudy. There's no way he can use overheat first. If I'm lucky, he actually uses overheat. I'm lucky if I even win this battle, seriously. Okay, come on, come on. Oh, he has to kill him. Crap. Psychic. I'm dead. Oh, I have a full restore at least. No. Oh, that was so close. I only have 3 more health. I thought Skeptile would die. Full restore. Oh God. Shadow Ball. Oh, dang. Leaf Blade.